Welcome to this step-by-step guide on integrating the ASN Filter Designer's C SDK framework with STM32 Cube for IoT data filtering projects. ASN Filter Designer's C SDK framework provides developers working on IoT projects with an easy-to-use C filtering framework for use on all ARM cores, such as STM32 microcontrollers. This means that you can graphically design and validate your filtering application within the tool, and then in a few clicks fully utilize the power of the ASN Filter Designer's internal signal chain for use in your IoT application. Our close collaboration with ARM's architecture team means that our C SDK implementation on all Cortex-M devices is extremely efficient, as seen here when comparing our C SDK, shown in blue, with ARM's CM-sys DSP library. Notice that our C SDK is very comparable to ARM's optimized library. The rest of this video will now demonstrate step-by-step on how to integrate the ASN framework files into your STM32 Cube project for use in your IoT application. Please contact us in the link below if you have any questions. Many thanks, and happy experimenting.